In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on voice chat in Destiny 2 and join the Fireteam chat. So, the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and then you want to navigate over to the settings cogwheel in the top right. From here, you want to select sound on the left sidebar, and you want to ensure chat volume is turned up. Now, once you've done that, you can select social on the left sidebar, and here's where you're going to find the voice chat settings. So, what you want to do is ensure voice chat is turned on, and for Team Voice Channel, by default, it'll be on manually opt in. You do have the option of also automatically opting in when solo, so I'll leave that up to you. But once you've done that, we're now going to go back. Be sure to save these settings. You may have to press triangle or Y, depending on your controller. And in order to join the Fireteam chat, what you want to do is press View or Select on an Xbox controller, or tap the touchpad on a PlayStation controller. So you'll see in the bottom center, we're currently in the Fireteam chat, and you're actually able to cycle through the different voice channels using the D-pad on your controller. So once you've done that, you can back out, and you'll now also see in the bottom right corner that my microphone's working. And if you don't see anything there, you may have to adjust the settings on your actual console and ensure you haven't accidentally muted yourself with a mute toggle. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.